Welcome back to the North Central College Doctor of Physical Therapy Program webinar series. My name is Leanna Blanchard, and I am one of the faculty members as well as the admissions coordinator for the program. We're going to continue today talking about our admissions tips and tricks. As I mentioned in our first admissions overview webinar, we do utilize a holistic approach to admissions, meaning that we review all sections of the application and that no one section is weighted more heavily than another. All of them are equally important. Today, we're going to be doing a little bit of a deeper dive into the essays section. Within PTCAS, you'll see three different essays. The first is the PTCAS Personal Statement. This goes to every single program that you apply to. It's not specific to us, so I really recommend not name dropping any specific program within that essay because all programs that you apply to will see this personal statement. You then also have two North Central College specific essays, and we are the only ones that will see those responses, so you can be as specific to our program as you would like. Some general tips and tricks for writing your essays. I really recommend that first you read each prompt thoroughly so that you really understand what the question is asking, and then make sure that your answer really addresses the prompt. We sometimes see really well-written essays, but they don't quite answer the prompt, so it's hard to know how well the applicant actually understood the question that was being asked. You want to try to balance answering in detail while being concise. It's great if you can share personal examples as much as possible, but try not to get bogged down in the details. Make sure you answer the question and tie it all together, but don't allow it to get too lengthy. You always want to have someone proofread your work. So if you can ask someone trusted to look it over for you, have them edit it, that's always very helpful. You may choose to use mentors, peers, advisors, or even potentially some AI tools to help you proofread, edit, or brainstorm. But just remember that your final application should reflect your work and your thoughts. Really, we want to get to know you throughout this process, not your ability to use a mentor or AI to answer a question. We touched on our mission, vision, values, and commitment in the admissions overview webinar, very first webinar we did. But just a reminder that really what we're looking for throughout the admissions process are students who embody our mission, vision, values, and commitment, or MVVC for short. One of our essay questions does specifically ask about this, so this is really your chance to shine and tell us how you align with these items or how you demonstrate these items. Your other essays are a little less specific to the MVVC. For example, personal statement, we recognize that that goes to every program you apply to, so you can't specifically mention these things in that essay, but we will still be reading through that essay looking for the undertone of the mission, vision, values, and commitment. Our other North Central essay, again, is not specific to the MVVC, but of course, this is the lens through which we're viewing everything in the application. So threading in any of these ideas throughout the other essays will be helpful as well. If you are interested in visiting our campus or meeting one-on-one with for more information, you can also check out our website or reach out to us anytime